Do you understand what a system is? A system is a collection of interconnected pieces. They surround us on all sides. Even our own nature also works as a system. For example, the Earth's climate system. But how does it function, and what kind of system is it? Let's understand the closed system first. A closed system does not allow the transfer of matter into or out of it. However, the transfer of energy is permitted. Consider a water bottle as an example. There is no matter transfer out of the bottle, but the energy keeps moving in and out. Then, make the temperature of the water change. The Earth's climate system is influenced by two things. First, the movement of solar energy enters and exits the atmosphere. The second is the movement of heat in the atmosphere and oceans. When the sun's energy reaches the atmosphere, some absorb, and some will reflected, mainly by clouds. However, the remaining energy heats the Earth's surface, and a tiny fraction of solar energy will leave the Earth's surface. Other than that, the Earth's surface also loses its heat by the rising air currents, radiation, and evaporation. The heat will escape through the atmosphere and back into space. Some are trapped by greenhouse gases, for example, carbon dioxide and methane. So, if you see this situation, the sun's energy comes in and out through the Earth. But there are no matter such as rock, soil, and water coming in or out between outer space and the Earth. So, that is why the Earth's climate system is a closed system. Unfortunately, humans are the cause of this system's instability. As we all know, greenhouse gases absorb and re-emit heat naturally, and it is enough for us to survive. However, human activities are currently increasing greenhouse gas emissions, drive to rise the greenhouse effect and climate change. For example, burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and a large amount of excrement produced by livestock farms would boost greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane. As a result of the gases, the Earth will continue to warm. Furthermore, this will have a detrimental impact on our world. The ice caps on the poles are melting. The sea level is rising. Human-caused changes to the Earth's climate system will cause a more frequent and intense natural disaster. For example, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, heat waves, and droughts. At the same time, it affects the other nature system on Earth, such as the slope and drainage basin system. That is because the input and output of energy and matter of that system will increase. So, why don't we sit, think, and work together to save our nature? Or, maybe you and I can stop polluting nature by using less plastic and recycling things.